Hi, Year 6. Remember when I said we could play Fortnite for an hour in one of our lessons? Well, that's not going to happen today. But now that I've got your attention, we are actually going to be continuing on from last lesson where we learned about volume and capacity. Can anyone remember what we learnt last lesson on this topic? Remember, we already know that volume is the amount of space occupied by an object or substance and is usually measured in cubic units such as cubic centimetres and cubic metres. We also learnt that capacity refers to the amount a container can hold and is measured in units such as millilitres, litres, and kilolitres. After the last few lessons, we should already know how to measure, record, compare, and estimate volumes and capacities using litres, millilitres, and cubic centimetres. We also already know that there are 1,000 millilitres in 1 litre, and we know to use the milliliter as a unit to measure volume and capacity. And last but certainly not least, we now know how to record volumes and capacities using the correct abbreviation for millilitres. So, where to next? Today, I want you all to participate in 4 learning activities based around volume and capacity. First, we will separate you into groups of 5. Group work will help you all to feed off each other's ideas and help you to gain a better understanding of the set activities of today's lesson. Remember that peer work is for working together, not for one person to find all the answers themselves. I have chosen a few goals that I want you all to achieve by the end of today's lesson. Goal 1. To be able to pick appropriate units to estimate, measure, and calculate volumes and capacities. You need to show me that you understand what units are appropriate to measure the capacities of different containers. For example, will we use millilitres for a drinking glass or litres? Goal 2. At the end of the lesson, I want you all to tell and show me what you have learned today by using the correct mathematical terminology for volume and capacity. And finally, I want you all to justify why you chose a possible solution over another. Give me a valid reason for supporting your answer. If you need help at any stage today during the lesson, please just ask. We are all here to help each other. Now, let's all go have some fun.